My name is Taiwo Fatimei. I am the team driver, the team principal, the team manager, and even my personal co-driver, and all in all for the team Elisade in the SCAR Championship. Yeah, I have participated in a lot of racing championship, but this is my first time participating in the SCAR Championship, and it was quite interesting. Yeah, SCAR brought a whole new dimension to motorsport in Nigeria. This is the first time I've seen a kart being used for a kart championship in Nigeria, and it's quite interesting. And this gives people like us hope that motorsport is here to stay in Nigeria. Over the course of the year, there has been several tries to make motorsport stay, but you know, when you look at the challenges and the intricacies that is involved, it's been difficult. But with SCAT, we know the future is bright. Yeah, like I said, this is my first time in the kart, and it was quite challenging at first. The other drivers, they are very experienced drivers. They all participated in the first race. Diakola for the team is a very experienced driver. Racing for Fame, Raymond, the Oisba team, they are all very experienced drivers, and they all participated in the first race. So I was all man for myself, coupled with the fact that I actually don't really have much support when it has to do with the team management and things like that. So it took me like 2 races to get my rhythm, after which I got my rhythm right, my cornering, my braking.